Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for work in Upwork without using connects. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first way is just to do a search. So for example, data entry, and then hit search. And then from here, just go through and look at all the different jobs. They might list their website or URL or email in the description. So let's have a look here. If we're lucky enough, they might have an email or a website we can go check out. This one doesn't. So yeah, just that's one way how we can find it. Another way is to apply to available now work via Talent Scout. So Upwork's Talent Scout or specialized agency programs sometimes allow you to apply it without connects if you've been pre-selected. Also, work with existing clients. So if you're already done with a job for a client, they can send you new contracts directly, so you won't need to use any connects. Use specialized profiles to get noticed. So a well-optimized user profile can attract invites organically. So this is going to bypass the need for connects, as people are going to organically see your profile and connect to you like that. And now the last way is to join an agency on Upwork. So agency owners often submit proposals on behalf of members using agencies connects instead of your own.